Welcome back. Goenchea Ramponkarancho Ekvott has strongly objected to illegal fishing by trawlers from other states. They have demanded complete ban on bottom trawling in the territorial waters. President of Goenchea Ramponkarancho Ekvott, Agnel Rodriguez, has pointed out illegal fishing carried out by trawler owners from other states. He said that this illegality should be stopped immediately.
कितले 72 फुटांच्यो बोटो चलताय आणि त्याच बरोबर तितून एक बिल्डर मायकॉन म्हणून ताणें एक बोट बांदला 72 फुटांची जरी ते करू सोदना या सोंपेपण हाडू सोदना जाल्यार ताका तर ते समजना ताणें ताबडतोब युनियन प्रेसिडेंट म्हणून पळय आहा तो रिजायन जावचो.
He also pointed out that trawlers from the neighboring states enter Goa and bulge out fishing activities. This happens due to reduced ban period imposed during monsoon by the authorities. Hence, he has demanded ban on trawlers entering in Goa from other states.
आम्ही फिशर डिपार्टमेंटाक कळयत आसाय पूण फिशर डिपार्टमेंट तेजे कांयच अजून एक्शन घेयना. देखून आमी ताबडतोब फिशर डिपार्टमेंटाक फिशरी डायरेक्टराक फिशरी मिनिस्टराक आणि कोस्टल रेग्युलेशन पुलिसाक कोस्ट गार्डाक आमी कळयताय आनी सांगताय म्हणजे हे पळय इलिगल एक्टिविटीज फिशिंग जाता ते ताबडतोब बंद करचें आनी तेणी तेंची झाडां आनी बोटो आपली ताब्यांत करची म्हणून.
Our reporter Devidas Kamli with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi. Prudent Citizens Forum has suspected a land scam in their village. They claim that despite having reservations over the draft plans of their village, the government is going ahead with the Bades regional plan. They have threatened to approach High Court if they find anomalies in the plans.
PCF members had voiced their concerns over the 10-meter roads proposed in the draft Prudent village plan. They say, despite passing a resolution in the Gram Sabha to recall the plan, the government is going ahead with the draft regional plans of Bades.
Draft planaचे रस्ते दाखवले ते रस्ते 86 मार्क केले 2001 प्लॅनाचो. जेन्ना 2001 जेन्ना प्लॅन केल्लो पळय तेन्ना ते रस्ते दाखवले 86 पूण ते रस्ते तो जागो एक्वायर करूंकच ना आज पासून पूण 24-25 वर्सां जाली तो एक्वायर जागो करूंक ना पूण आतां ह्या प्लॅनाचे ते रस्ते कशे दाखवले त्या हिसपान ही जी पळय स्टेट लेवल कमिटी आसा ही सगळी बोगस जावन आसा. यांच्यानी सगळ्यांनी फ्रॉड करून बिल्डरांक सगळे बिल्डरांचे करोडाचे करोड पयशे घेवन यांच्यानी ही कामां केल्ली आसा. हे पळय जे मायनेची स्कॅम जे व्हडले आसा तेज्यावून ही जमीन हावपाची स्कॅम व्हडले.
The forum has threatened to drag all those involved to court.
Prudent Citizen Forum आमच्या लोकांचेर अन्याय जावंक कशेंच दिवचे ना. आम्ही ऑलरेडी सगळे पेटिशन रेडी करून दवरला. आम्ही रावता फकत प्लॅन येयलो भायर सरलो आमी हांकां सगळ्यांक हायकोर्टान व्हरतले. ही पळय स्टेट लेवल कमिटी विलेज लेवल कमिटी आनी पंचायत कमिटी हांकां सगळ्यांक आमी कोर्टान व्हरतले.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Sushant Pal.
The fourth edition of GRAM was inaugurated on Thursday in the presence of industrialists and bureaucrats from all over India. The conference will go on till 1st October. GRAM aims at influencing people, government and corporate sector to work collectively to change discrepancies in the way of functioning. Winning the decade is the theme of the fourth edition of GRAM. This summit will be held for 3 days. Delegates from across India will attend the summit. The summit will go on till Saturday at Dwarka. GRAM aims at bringing about development in small cities. President of GRAM, Shyam Sundar Pani, informed the motive of GRAM.
We have some of the best things. We will have a lot of migrating traffic coming out here. Tourists, we clearly need to develop business tourism. And that is what puts money into people who matters. That will give you a lot of pickup for the cab guys to the hotel industry, and then that can become a complete thing by itself.
Our reporter in Madgaon, Samir Bhatt. Coastal Honda launched its much-awaited compact car, Honda Brio. The car embodies the best of Honda technologies to deliver fun, fuel efficiency, spaciousness and safety. Honda Brio was launched by the Kakulo Group Chairman and Managing Director Manoj Kakulo. Brio means energetic and cheerful in Italian. Brio features Honda's active and passive safety technologies, including dual SRS front airbags and anti-lock brake system, which prevents wheel locking. Electronic brake distribution enhances braking performance.
Today, we are showcasing a product for the masses, a product which is priced under 4 lakhs and which will be available for the Goans to ride on the Goan roads starting immediately. We are sure everybody in Goa, with your help, will give us the kind of support that they have always given us in the past with the earlier products that we have had.
Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkekar. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.